Adorable AI animal videos of animals doing human activities like cooking and cleaning are taking over social media. TikTok viral videos and YouTube shorts are flooded with these engaging clips, racking up millions of views and generating significant income for creators, from TikTok's creativity program to YouTube automation up through ad revenue. The best part? You don't need expensive equipment, real animals, or advanced skills to get started. In this guide, I'll show you step-by-step how to create AI-generated videos featuring animals using AI content creation tools. Whether you want to grow your social media following, earn extra income, or just have fun with creative AI content, this tutorial has you covered. Let's dive in. First, we need to create detailed scene descriptions for our videos. I've made this easy for you by preparing ready-made prompts that you can use or customize. You'll find the prompts in the video description below. But before we jump into the process, take a second to like this video. It really helps the algorithm recommend this content to more creators like you. Every like helps. All right, let's get started. Open the video description and locate the scene prompts. These prompts guide ChatGPT to create detailed scenarios featuring animals performing human-like activities, such as a cat cooking or a dog cleaning. If you want a different animal, simply replace the animal's name. To change the activity, swap out the verb. For example, replace cooking with dancing. Copy the scene prompt and paste it into ChatGPT, then hit enter. ChatGPT will instantly generate creative and engaging scene descriptions, forming the foundation for the AI-generated videos you'll create next. Now that we have our scene descriptions, we'll generate images using AI tools. To create AI-generated images using Ideogram AI, start by opening the video description and locating the image prompts. Copy one of the image prompts and paste it into ChatGPT, then press Enter to receive a highly detailed description. Next, go to Ideogram AI tutorial by searching Ideogram AI in your browser and sign up or log in if you haven't already. Once inside, click the plus icon to open the creation interface. Change the style to realistic for a more lifelike appearance, and adjust the aspect ratio to 9:16, which is ideal for TikTok viral videos and YouTube shorts. Now copy the detailed image prompt provided by ChatGPT and paste it into Ideogram's text box. Finally, click Generate, and let Ideogram work its magic to create stunning AI animal videos tailored for your content. Once the AI generates multiple variations of your image, select your favorite and download it. Repeat this process for all scenes. Static images alone won't go viral. We need to bring them to life. To turn your AI-generated images into animated videos using Hailuo AI animation, start by searching for Hailuo AI video in your browser and visiting the website. Sign up or log into your account if you haven't already. Once inside, click on the creation icon and select the image to video feature, which is specifically designed for animating static visuals. Next, upload the AI-generated image you want to animate by selecting the image you created earlier. Then, copy the original ChatGPT prompt you used for generating the image and paste it into Hailuo AI animation. Once everything is set up, click Generate and let artificial intelligence transform your static image into a lively and engaging video. After the video is ready, preview it to check the results. If you're happy with how it looks, download the video. Repeat this process for all your images to turn them into animated videos. The next step is to create background music for your video to make it more engaging. For this, we'll use Suno, a powerful tool for generating custom music. Go to your browser and search for suno.com. If you don't already have an account, sign up and log in. Click on the music icon to access the creation interface. To generate lyrics, return to ChatGPT and ask it to create lyrics for a calm background music track. Copy the lyrics and paste them into Suno. For the music style, go back to ChatGPT and ask it to suggest a suitable style for your lyrics. Copy this suggestion and paste it into Suno. Give your music a title and click Create. Suno will generate 2 unique music tracks based on the inputs you've provided in just a few moments. Listen to both and download your favorite. The final step is to bring everything together with editing, and for this, we'll use CapCut. Go over to CapCut, then click on New Project and import all the animated clips. Adjust the aspect ratio to 9:16, which is best for TikTok viral videos and YouTube shorts. If any clips have watermarks or logos, don't worry. Simply click on the clip and stretch it until the logo is out of view. Then repeat this process for all your clips. Once that's done, arrange the clips in the correct order to tell your story, starting from the cat shopping for groceries to enjoying the meal. Now, add smooth transitions for a seamless flow. Go to the Overlay section, select a transition style, and click Apply to All to maintain consistency throughout your video. This will give your video a professional and seamless feel. Next, let's enhance the realism by adding sound effects and music. For example, when the cat is chopping vegetables, you can include a chopping sound effect to make the scene more engaging. Then, import the custom background music you created using Suno and sync it with your clips. Once everything is in place, watch the entire video from start to finish to ensure the editing is smooth and the story flows naturally. When everything looks perfect, click Export, set the resolution to 4K, and download the final video to your device. Now let's watch the finished product, and that's it. You've successfully created a high-quality AI-generated video featuring AI animal videos that's ready to go viral. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and drop any questions in the comments below. Your engagement helps more creators discover this content. Now start creating and let your AI content creation take over social media.